Hey everyone, Technoman here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone notification being too low. You want to follow these steps to fix it, so let's get started. So the very first thing you want to go ahead and check out is to make sure your phone is not on Do Not Disturb by any chance. So if you pull down the control menu here, there's focus mode here. You'll see here that gives you the option to put your phone in a focus mode like Do Not Disturb, which will silence all of your notifications or any other mode. So you want to turn these settings off by tapping on it. It'll turn it off. So it should look like this. Now after you have checked that, the next thing to check out is your actual volume here. Just make sure the volume is all the way turned off. Sometimes it happens to be low, but if you press and hold the volume up, it should be all the way up. Next thing, you want to go ahead into your setting on your iPhone and then go into the setting for sounds and haptics. So you're going to tap on sounds and haptics. Make sure where it says this ringtone and alerts, right? This is all the way up. If it's somewhere low, you'll not get any of the notifications. So again, it's important to put that one all the way up. Along with that is you want to make sure that silent mode is turned off. If this is turned on, again, notification rings, alerts will be low, so you need to make sure that is turned off. This is all the way turned up. And then the next thing to play around with, it's going to be your different text tone, ringtone, all of these notification tone for different sort of alerts. And the reason why you want to do this is an alert might sound low to you, but to someone else it might take it loud. So you're going to play around, pick the options, see which one is the loudest for you, and then go with that one. And for each of the items, just go ahead and follow till you find a notification sound that's the loudest for you. Now, along with that is you see where it says volume limit. You want to make sure this is turned off. So if you had this turned on, it's going to limit your volume. So you want to turn this off, especially if you're using your speaker. So turn that setting off as well. Along with that is you want to also turn this setting up where it says reduce loud audio as well. So along with these, it will help you make sure your phone gets the maximum volume when it comes to notification. Now the next setting you want to check out from the main setting is under accessibility here. You want to go ahead into hearing devices. So let's go ahead and take a look at hearing devices, right? Ensure that there is no hearing devices connected. Sometimes if it's connecting to a device, it's going to make your volume low. As you can see, this one is spinning. So I recommend is if you're not using any Bluetooth in the main settings, go ahead and turn off Bluetooth as well. And that's also important, especially if your phone is connected to a Bluetooth device. It might be sending a notification to the Bluetooth device, maybe a headphone or external device or even another audio device that it is connected to. So turn the setting on, off, and then go into your settings, accessibility, and then we're going to go into hearing devices. Ensure that this is turned off just like that, where it's turned off the Bluetooth and the hearing aid compatibility. Of course, if you need it, you want to make sure these are turned on. Now the next setting you want to go ahead and check out in your settings, it's going to be under Face ID and passcode. You're going to go ahead and check out this option here. You want to turn this attention aware feature where iPhone will check for attention before dimming display and also lowering your notification volume, as you can see here. So you want to turn that setting off as well. And lastly, after you have done that setting, you want to make sure speakers are not blocked. The speakers are down here. You want to make sure these are clean. Use maybe some kind of cleaning device to just clean these. Make sure there's no dust or debris. Over time it can build up and make your volume for notification generally low. So clean those out, and by following these steps, your notification volume should work good to the maximum volume. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button. Also, if you found a better way to fix these issues with the notification, do share in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.